met him on the street. He told me I was fine. Suddenly it all stopped. I told him right back. Do you know how it feels? Do you know how it feels? Questions I need to know before I let him go. Before I let him go, I need to know the truth. Wishing I could see the past and